Hey everyone, it's Jonathan with FixnZip, and I've been getting a lot of emails lately asking whether or not the FixnZip can be used to repair broken zippers on pillows, cushions, outdoor furniture, so I thought I'd go ahead and film this video. The FixnZip is great for broken zippers that maybe separate after you try zipping them up, if the original zipper slider comes off altogether, or if the zipper slider is jammed. Great thing with the FixnZip is it doesn't matter if you have plastic, metal, or nylon teeth, it'll work on all of those. For outdoor furniture, for your pillows, for your couch cushions, we recommend the FixnZip size small. Fits most of those. If you're not sure or you want to double check, we do have a sizing guide that you can check out at FixnZip.com. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install your FixnZip on a cushion zipper.
To install the FixnZip, just loosen this thumb screw here on the top. That way the sides can open up. That allows us to put it right onto the existing row of zipper teeth without having to tear into it or unstitch the old zipper. Once you've got one row in there, take the other row and feed it into the FixnZip. Tighten it down as far as it will go. And you'll notice I actually started a little further down the zipper track. You can install the FixnZip anywhere on the zipper. I like to do it a little bit further out from the beginning, and then once it's in there, back it up. Tighten it down in case things have loosened up. And then to get it started, I take my index finger, put it under the FixnZip, put my thumb on the top, squeeze, and as I'm squeezing, start pulling. And that got the zipper started. If things loosen up a bit, again, tighten down the thumb screw a little bit more. And just like that, zipper's back up and running.
If you want more information about why zippers break, how to remove the original slider, or if you still can't get the teeth to engage when you put on your FixnZip, check out our YouTube channel. We have videos that cover all of that. If you still have questions or if you'd like to buy one, you can go to FixnZip.com. Thanks.